शुक्रारा कळंगूटचे आमदार मायकल लोबो हांची गोंय विधानसभेचे उपसभापती पदार निवड जाली। 21-16 मतांनी थाराव पास जालो। आमदार मायकल लोबोच्या विरोधात काँग्रेसीचे काणकोणचे आमदार इजिदोर फर्नांडीस हांणी अर्ज केल्लो। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
For the election of the Deputy Speaker, the following nomination were issued by the Goa Legislative Secretary. Sri Michael Lobo, proposed by Sri Nilesh Cabral, seconded by Sri Siddharth Kunkolikar. Second nomination, Sri Michael Lobo, proposed by Ramkrishna Dhawlikar, seconded by Sri Deepak Prabhu Pavaskar. Third, Sri Michael Lobo, proposed by Vijay Sardesai, seconded by Sri Jayesh Salgaonkar. Fourth, Sri Michael Lobo, proposed by Sri Rohan Khaute, seconded by Sri Govind Gowde. Fifth, Sri Isidore Fernandes, proposed by Sri Chandrakant Kavlekar, seconded by Sri Wilfred Disa. Sixth, Sri Isidore Fernandes, proposed by Srimati Jennifer Monserrat, seconded by Sri Digambar Kamath. Seventh, Sri Isidore Fernandes, proposed by Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo, seconded by Sri Clefelso Dias. Nomination at serial number 1 to 7 are in order. The motion are before the House. Now let us put the motion number 1, proposed by Sri Nilesh Cabral and seconded by Sri Siddharth Kunkolikar, to the vote of the House. Those in favor of the motion may kindly stand up in their seats. Twenty-one. 21. Now please sit. Those in against the motion may kindly stand up in their seats. Thank you. 21 versus 15 in the favor of the motion. I hereby declare that Sri Michael Lobo has been elected to the post of Deputy Speaker of the House and offer him hearty congratulations.
गोयचे नाव आखे इंडियेकूच ना आखे संवसारान लोक पळयता जे कितें अनफिनिश्ड आमचे इश्यूज आहा ते आमी सगळे वांगडा मेळोन करुया. आय थँक आवर पार्टी BJP party, I thank Manohar Parrikar, I thank all the leaders, the regional party leaders, the independents who have given me this opportunity, and I will work for Goa, I will work for my constituency also. So let us all work together. I thank the opposition also, I thank the speaker and everybody. Thank you, Speaker sir.